Finally, I got Android 10 with One UI 2 on my Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus. So let's install now. Finally, I finished my update successfully. So let's see what new feature we get for this update. So at first go to setting, then phone about, next software information, and yeah, I got Android 10 with One UI 2. Next go to display. You can got blue light effect and also system-wide dark mode. System-wide dark mode, you can use all the app is a dark mode. Next talk about a navigation bar. You can also got navigation buttons, and with a full screen gesture you can got two new full screen gesture, and you can see that first one and second one. After Android 10, I got new animation of the app opening and closing. Yeah, I like Android 10 update. You can got new system-wise screen recorder. You do not need any extra app to record your phone. You can easily record your phone with your system-wise screen recorder. It's working pretty good. So let's open camera app, live focus, photo, video and more. You can got night mode, panorama, pro mode and etc. So let's take some photo. There is some photo and video clip. By the way, I am also making another video about One UI 2 new feature. So subscribe right now and hit the bell icon. Now talk about the problem and issue. After 10 update, I think fingerprint sensor little bit slow, but I think Samsung also fix the problem and issue as soon as possible. Get new update. After Android 10, I do not face any big problem and issue without fingerprint sensor slow. I hope Samsung fix all the problem as soon as possible to get new update. In future, if Samsung give any new update, I will make another video about that, and today video about that. And I hope you like this video and enjoy this video. I'm Shah from SHADAT'S. See you next time to another video. Allah Hafiz.